y'all, I'm Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage Ways, where we honor home, celebrate heritage, spread hope, and make yogurt.
I'm LILLA Homemaker.
Okay, y'all, today we're going to give you an update video. We're just going to show you how to make easy crock pot yogurt. It is super easy. Tell them what they need.
Okay, you're going to need a gallon of milk.
Any kind.
And you're going to need a cup of yogurt.
Plain. It can be yogurt you've made previously, your previous batch. It can be yogurt you buy. Actually, a cup is probably more than you need. You need a little container, and honestly, I think some of those are 5 ounces and 6 ounces. So this is going to be way more yogurt than we need, but that's okay. So I'm going to say one of those little cups of plain, unsweetened. It can be Greek yogurt, it can be non-Greek yogurt, but unsweetened, unflavored, plain yogurt. You know what I mean when I say a little cup of yogurt.
I know what you're saying. And that's all you need for this.
That is all you need. So, you know, like this size, I can't read. Yeah, this is 5 ounces. So this is plain 5-ounce cup of yogurt. So thanks to Miss Stephanie Noose, by the way, for some yogurt. Local yogurt. We're calling this an update video is why?
Because I made a yogurt video a long time ago when we had first started the channel. It was my first time to do a video by myself.
And you did a great job. And it's only 59 minutes, and I think it's pretty thorough, but
59 minutes.
Seconds.
Woo! That's an hour. I'm like, I don't think this took an hour.
It's, here, you slowly pour in. Today we're using organic whole milk.
You can even use raw milk.
So in that video, that 59-second video, you used raw milk. So a gallon of milk, pour it in your crock pot. But we're doing an update just to, I don't know, just to make another batch and to give you an opportunity to see it again, and maybe we can answer some questions if you have any in the comment section. A friend who used, Lisa used goat milk, and I have not had experience using other milks, but I do know goat milk works. I have not had experience using almond milk or cashew milk. I do plan to experiment with that, and I will bring you that video down the road. So we just put this lid on. Now this is not an instant pot, y'all. This is a crock pot. I've got this written up here, so I'm going to, she's going to tell you, but I'm going to double check because I've got the recipe written up here. So what do you do from here?
From putting it in the crock pot, you will turn it on high for 3.5 hours. And then after that, I mean, we used a Post-it note to say like the time.
Yeah, we put it down there so we remember, or you can put a timer on your phone or on your stove or whatever.
And then after that 3.5 hours is up, you turn it off for 3 hours, and then that night, I think it was...
Do you want me to take it from here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so she's right. So 3.5 hours on high, so go ahead and turn it on high. Go ahead and grab our Post-it note. 3.5 hours on high, don't open it, nothing, don't do anything. Just 3.5 hours on high. Then you'll turn it off. You won't open it or anything. Turn it off after the 3 hours, or 3.5. Then turn it off and let it set for 3 hours. After that, well, we'll just come back and show you what happens after that. All right, so we've got our time. It's 2:30 now. So 3.5 hours would be 6, and then 3 more from there would be 9. So we have our Post-it note. We'll come back to you at 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and we'll show you what to do with our crock pot of yogurt. Super easy. Thanks.
Super easy.
All right, it's now 9 o'clock, so it's 3 hours after we turned it off, right?
Right.
Simple. We haven't opened it since we turned it on. I'm going to take a little bit of milk out, no really exact amount. Before I lift this, let me tell you, If you're using raw milk, the butter fat will be floating on top. That's okay. If you want to skim it off and use it for something, I guess you can, but I don't see the point in that. We do just mix it in our yogurt. If you do that, you're going to have kind of yellow ribbons in the yogurt, so there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that it's separated. This right here is homogenized, meaning it hasn't, it's been processed so that the cream or butter fat does not separate from the milk. So I just want to say that because a lot of y'all are going to be using your raw goat's milk and raw cow's milk and sheep's milk. Like I said earlier in the video, you don't need that much. You just need one of those little containers, and I think that's 5 ounces. So this is more than plenty. So I'm just going to take it out. I don't want to wait too long. You know, I don't want the temp to come down. So I'm going to put the lid back on real quick.
Ooh, it smells yummy.
This is the most, it's just warm milk and does smell comforting. Now I'm stirring this together. Kind of, I don't know if you have to, but kind of the idea of tempering chocolate or tempering eggs, that's kind of the same idea of why I do this. Just to kind of get the yogurt at a warmer temp. Actually, this yogurt's been sitting out all day, but I'm demonstrating what we would normally do. And then I'm just going to stir this really well, get the lid back on as quickly as I can. It's still going to just look like milk, of course. And then we'll show you the finished product tomorrow. So we tell them what you're doing.
I'm going to put 2 towels on and tuck it in. Yeah, we might need to open it.
Yeah, we open them up, 2 bath towels. We usually do this and set it on the floor, but for you, we've got it up on the counter.
So we put one way, one the other way, just to make sure everything is tucked in well. And
say night night.
Night night.
Yeah, you're right though. Just to make sure it's all just tucked in, and it keeps that warmth all around. That's it. So we let this sit here, you know what, overnight, but you might not be doing this at this time of night. So I would just say, 12, but I'm just going to tell y'all, I have left it sitting here for up to 24 hours, only because I didn't get to it, to do something to it. It has never, ever, ever failed. So it's worked every time with different kinds of milk. And it's never failed when I have left it there long periods of time. I will say too, in case I forget to say this tomorrow when we open it up, I have found that homogenized milk from the store provides a smooth yogurt.
It does.
For some reason, the raw milk provides a yogurt almost like you could cut. You know what not that thick, but when you spoon it out, it leaves a wall. Does that make, yeah. There you go, and we will show you what it looks like tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna wrap this video up. Please excuse the messy kitchen there. It's literally 24 hours since we made this last segment, and since we covered this up. We left it here all night. We went to visit a friend today. Little music man's over here gonna help me. He says, do you like yogurt?
I love yogurt, especially on Fridays.
Oh yeah, tell him. So yogurt is...
Friday is like yogurt parfait. Yogurt, syrup, chocolate chips.
It's yogurt parfait morning for breakfast. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring you in and show you what it looks like. But before I do that, I'm going to face-to-face tell you goodbye. Thanks for watching. We would love if you would hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell, because the bell allows you to get notifications from YouTube. And sometimes even when you ring the bell, they don't give you notifications. So that's what that's for. So if you would please just ring that bell. And if you have questions, ask me below. But I'm going to bring you in and show you this yogurt. I haven't opened it since we put the lid on it, or the cover on it last night.
It's delicious.
Yeah, the kids love it. Okay, let's cover up this. This right here is ugly. I'm gonna cover that.
Ugly.
Okay.
So Mom is dipping out the yogurt.
Okay, guys. Here's what. Now we have whey. That's a whole nother video where I show you about separating the curds from the whey and what you can do with the curds to make cheese, and also we do things with the whey, and I can tell you about that as well. Now this is with the homogenized milk. Doesn't that look good and creamy? There you go. Have some yogurt, y'all. Try it and let me know what you think. Bye-bye.